So today,
We're going to unbox our
Yes.
Beachy Galley Wow.
exactly.
Beachy Galley Wow thing.
Let me see. Yes. Unboxing.
Just received it yesterday.
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
there you go.
Yeah.
To take a look.
Oh, I guess I'm so excited this thing.
This is my personal something.
Alright.
Okay.
Show to them.
No, that's mine.
This
Oh.
one? Oh,
The bag.
it's the bag.
What's this?
I guess I'm gonna put it here so you can see me also.
What's this? Oh my. Ano to?
But this is the tent. This is the tent. Ganito na dito ilalagay mo. Open na natin. Ano this one?
Ay! Yan yung
Ay,
ano.
CR?
Oo.
Okay, let's open. This one, I'm gonna open this. So,
This is the bag.
this is the back. Let's please open to us. Wow. Right. Oh, may compartment siya para sa water. I guess
No,
for
this
the
is for
water
my
bottle.
shoes.
For the shoes? Okay, whatever you want to put there. Yeah, for the shoes, maybe. Yes. And the next is this one. Let me try. So, let's try to open this one. I guess there's steps in there.
Yeah.
Ah, there is to connect. Connector. Ta-da! Be sure that we're gonna put it.
Yeah, I think I
Again.
need to set this up.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. This is the one for the
Yeah.
changing or bathroom. Like that. Ah, okay.
Alright.
Let's set up later.
Yeah.
Not him here. Okay, guys. Because
Maybe we can set up it on Thursday.
Yeah, the secret. Just us. Yes. So excited for that.
Crazy.
Okay. Hello. Yes.
And this is your work from now on. To
Yeah.
set up and to unset up.
So I guess
I think we're gonna use
Okay.
this one now.
the last one.
Put it here.
Oh,
Because
better.
we have no...
But we have to use this? No.
maybe?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright.
Just like this.
Put it here.
Hi, Sabrina.
Hi. She
Yeah, we're unboxing. Say hi to my friend and subscribers.
No?
We're unboxing.
video.
No, it's a video.
Unboxing.
No? You don't like?
Yeah.
And here's our
Yes,
mini
one more.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
I think we need to check it out. Open.
And
Sway sister.
yeah, this is the one.
Sway.
Ay, ito yun yung pang-lock.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Ah, but we don't have to.
Here?
Yeah.
Open up.
We don't need to. No, because
What's this?
we don't have
It is
to.
automatic.
For child?
No, for ano. Wait lang. Pa kasi yung ano namin.
Ah, it's big.
Ah, very big stuff.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
What's the
I can't hack it.
How?
Like this.
Yes. That hack it button.
I think yes. Wow! Perfect. Did you see that?
Ah, tablet. Heel voor
For the
Ga je dat zoen?
No, for ear.
Voor de
Ear
ear?
plug, yeah. Hi,
Hello,
madam.
assalamualaikum. You have patient.
Oh, ja.
Patient.
Yeah, patient.
Huh? No, it's recording. I will upload to my vlog. Yeah. It's Sabrina in the house. Yo, break it down. Yeah.
You put it here?
What you put? If you need to sleep,
Very, I need siya.
No, I guess we can fold it.
Hello, how are you?
We'll just make it like this. Akin na yung ano. Hawakan natin. Ilagay mo na natin dito. Eh, papakita muna natin yung lahat. Ay, so love it.
Ang laki pala.
Ang laki niya.
It's big
Yeah.
than what we are expecting. Because some of the reviews says it's small, like
Oh.
forehead only. But now, it's a legit seller.
Yeah.
I will give her 5 stars.
Go!
This one also.
Yeah, I love this one. It's the best part. No need to hide those abaya for peeing.
Yeah. We used to wear abaya.
We're gonna use that bag.
No.
So we're gonna put this one into the stuff change.
No, here.
Here, okay. This area? Alright.
Gonna pick it up later.
I'll take this. Or inside. It's better inside. Okay guys. Bye.
Thank you for
watching our unboxing Shurba. What about this one? It's for?
This is for the tablet.
For the tablet.
For the sake.
Yeah, nice. And that one in the backs.
It's a screen protector.
Alright. Okay, see you.
Thank you.